do you want to learn how to find your X or Threads followers on BlueSky Social? In this video, I'm going to help solve your problem with the Chrome extension. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and let's get to it. So first, this process cannot be done on mobile. You need to head over to your computer and open up a web browser like Chrome. And on here, go to Chrome Web Store, which I will paste the link in the description so you can go through that link. Once you have added it to Chrome, click on this puzzle icon, and inside it, you will find Skyfollower Bridge. Now, pin it so that we will see it over here. Instead of clicking it here and then clicking here, instead of that, just pin it here. And now when we click on this, so inside here, you see handle or email. So you need to enter in the handle or email of your account on BlueSky. Then there is password. We recommend using the app password. So let's click on this and it'll take us to bsky.app settings, which you can also go on bsky.app. Here on the left hand side, click on settings and then there's privacy and security. Now inside it, we have app passwords. Go inside it. And now inside here, we have this button which says add app password. Click on this. In this pop-up, you can type in anything you want. It doesn't matter. Just type in something randomly. For example, I can say something like this, and this is optional. You can keep it checked or unchecked, and next. Now it's going to give you an app password. Copy this and save it somewhere because this will not be available again once you click on done. Now click on this Skyfollower Bridge extension again and paste in the password here and the handle. This handle is, if you go to profile, you'll find your handle here, this one. This is your handle, paste it here and the password. Once done, you can click on find BlueSky users. Now before we click on find BlueSky users, let's go to either Threads or X. So first I'll show you on X. You can go to followers list here. Now inside here, click on this Skyfollower Bridge icon and click on find BlueSky users. Now it will start scanning X users to find BSky users. And as you can see, it has already detected 2 users. Now, if you want to see the results, you can just stop scanning and view results, this button, click on this. And now you're going to see on this page, the handle, the person, and their BlueSky account as well. Now you can follow them on BlueSky from here. Or what you can also do is on the left, you will find follow all. Click on this and it's going to follow all of these X users on your BlueSky Social account. Now, same as this, you can also scan Threads users instead of scanning X users. So we'll go to Threads and go to followers. Now inside here, let's click on this Skyfollower Bridge icon again. Now it's going to start scanning Threads users to find BlueSky users. Now here it says detected 3 users. Let's stop scanning and view the result. It's going to take us to the same page here. And now you see the results in real time on Skyfollower Bridge page, and you can scroll down, see the new results. Now if you want to follow them one by one, or just like I said before, you can follow all of them in one click. On the left, action, follow all. It says proceed with execution, click on OK and you're good to go. Now one thing you need to keep in mind is that user detection is not perfect and may include false positives, like it said here. Now make sure that the person you're trying to follow on BlueSky is same as the person you see here. So it's best you follow each of them one by one instead of following them, all of them at the same time. And that's it. This is how to find your X or Threads followers or friends on BlueSky Social. Did this video help solve your problem? Let me know with a like and comment.